Well, trading is closed on February 8th, 2022. Our disclaimer always comes first. This is my trading plan for tomorrow the 9th. Please remember I can be wrong, and any trades you do make should be at your own risk. We always go over our calls first, look for the pattern with the early low. It tends to be a rally day, high in the final hour, so we have that. Tomorrow should have a pattern with an early low. We were counting this as a leading diagonal triangle. That still is a valid count. We said as long as the low held yesterday's low, we could have a good rally. Well, we had a good rally, and the idea was right, but we didn't hold the low, so I get no credit for calling for the rally that we had. That's just the way it goes sometimes. In the afternoon, we got an ultimate buy signal. Here's the minimum. We almost always get more, which we did. All these F's indicate moves system says are false, meaning they won't stick and they'll retrace, and that's already happened. System also says this whole rally is going to retrace down to this line, 44.7669. Now, if we take out this high promptly, the number stays on the table, but not the time. But if we don't gap and take this high out promptly, that's my call. We rallied strongly all day. We couldn't close over the midday high, which in this pattern is negative. We couldn't even close over yesterday's high. So this big rally didn't really accomplish anything at the close. Now what counts isn't today's close, but tomorrow's open. And futures are up as I'm recording this. So I can't say it's impossible that we gap up and all this doesn't mean a thing. But if we don't gap and take this high out fast, it should lead to lower prices, and MEJT argues for much lower prices, about 45 handles down by early Thursday. This wave count still counts as a ABCDE for leading diagonal triangle. It's easy to count an ABC up. You've got fantastic Fibonacci ratios. You have an ABC with good fibs, ABC in gold with good fibs. The red ABC is good fibs, and this black wave B, here's A, here's B, retraces exactly half of A. So you've got fantastic wave balance at the high. You've got a lower MEJT target, and you've got a rally which couldn't clear prior highs. It's all negative stuff, and if we're going to continue higher than this, we should clear this high early, because if not, I'm looking for 44.7669. Tomorrow's pattern has really low. It doesn't mean you won't gap up. There is a lower MEJT target. Unless we do gap up smartly, it should print by Thursday morning. Day-long rally couldn't manage a close over the midday high nor over yesterday's high, so as of now it hasn't accomplished anything. We have great wave balance at the high today. Futures are up as I write this, but the above signals make a drop right from the open plausible on Wednesday. Bulls need to gap and promptly exceed today's high to kill the idea. And as I say, futures are up, so I'm not saying that's impossible, but that's what they need to do, or else we see lower prices, possibly much lower. Tomorrow has the early low, and that is today's call.